In today's video, we are going to talk about winRAR in your laptop. We are going to see what winRAR is all about, the download option of winRAR, the features of winRAR. That's what we are going to discuss in today's video. Subscribe to the Test Communication channel. Stick with us till the end of the video. So now, let's move to the definition of winRAR. winRAR is a powerful archive manager that can back up your data and reduces size of email attachment, and it can decompress RAR file, zip file, and other file. That's what winRAR is all about. So now, let's move to the download option of winRAR. winRAR is available in Windows 64-bit, Windows 32-bit, Apple macOS, Android device, Linux 64-bit, Linux 32-bit, FreeBSD 64-bit, and FreeBSD 32-bit. So that is a download option. You can download winRAR to any of these devices and of window and size. So now, let's talk about the purchase of winRAR software. Is winRAR free? Yes, it has a trial version with access to all features for 40 days. So in 40 days time, you can use winRAR software for free. But when that 40 days elapse, you will see a pop-up message telling you to buy a license. But you can still be using winRAR without buying the license. So winRAR is free, but it is for purchase. The money for buying the license of this winRAR is $29 US. So now, let's move to the features of winRAR. winRAR allows you to split archive into separate volumes, making it easier to save files in different disks. That's one of the features of winRAR software. The next one is that it automatically recognizes and selects the best compression method. That one too is very good and okay. The next one is that winRAR is a shareware, meaning you have the chance to thoroughly test it before using it. So winRAR is a very fine software. It's a fine archive compressor. So in my next video, I will be showing you how to download winRAR into your laptop. So I hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel. See you in my next video. Bye.